Natural Reader versus Speechify. I'm going to tell you Natural Reader versus Speechify. Both Natural Reader and Speechify are text-to-speech apps, but they serve slightly different kinds of users. Natural Reader leans more academic and professional, while Speechify is built for fast-paced, mobile-friendly productivity. With Natural Reader, you get a clean interface, strong OCR for PDFs, and powerful desktop app. It's especially good for students or professionals who need to read a lot of text with natural sounding voices, especially with the premium or plus versions. Speechify, on the other hand, is faster and optimized for on the go use. It supports Chrome extensions, mobile apps, and quick syncing between devices. Its voices are smoother and more human like, especially in the paid plan. If you need advanced documenting handling, batch processing, and don't mind staying on your desktop, Natural Reader is a good choice. But if you're constantly moving and want a polished mobile experience with fast playback, Speechify is better. Both offer free plans, but to get the best voices and features, you'll need to upgrade. So it really comes down to how and where you like to read.